Did you know that in the northern part of Krk Island, just a short distance from the Krk Bridge connecting the island to the mainland, you'll find Biserujka Cave, one of the island's most popular natural attractions? We visited in June, and it was already packed with visitors, so we recommend getting your tickets in advance if possible. We actually bought our tickets in Baška, where we were staying, and they were valid for direct entry to the cave. No need for any online purchase or waiting at the entrance. This turned out to be a smart move. With our tickets in hand, we joined the first available group, while people who arrived without tickets had to wait in line and often missed their desired time slot, sometimes waiting another 30 minutes. Don't expect a huge cave. Biserujka is quite small, only about 110 meters long, but it's beautifully decorated with stalactites and stalagmites. It's the only cave on Krk open to the public, even though there are more than 40 caves in the area. Inside, scientists have discovered bones of a prehistoric cave bear, a vegetarian that could reach up to 3 meters in length. The cave is also home to 28 species of animals, including 6 that are found nowhere else in the world. Because most visitors are German or Austrian, the standard tour is in German. But our guide kindly offered to repeat everything in English, which was great. As for tickets, a standard entrance to Biserujka, as well as to the terrarium and aquarium in Krktown and the aquarium in Baška, costs €6 each. But if you buy a combined ticket for all 4 attractions, you'll pay just €18 instead of 24. A great deal. Honestly, for less than €5, Biserujka is a lovely little adventure. So if you're planning a visit, try to get your tickets ahead of time, whether in Baška or elsewhere. Arrive early and enjoy the fascinating underground world of Biserujka Cave.